morning, children. Hope you all are safe, secured, and happily spending your time at home. Today, we are going to learn a simple and creative way of making a beautiful bouquet with artificial roses. For making beautiful rose bouquet, we will be needing either paper napkin 1 packet or organdy cloth half meter or crepe paper 3 sheets. Thread according to the color of the flower. Flower wire or broomstick. Green tape or green sheet for stem. Satin ribbon, any color of your choice. A pair of scissors, scale, pencil and Fevicol. We are going to start the activity of making artificial flower with the help of either of paper, napkin or organdy, cloth or crepe paper. This can be any color of your choice. First, we will start making flowers with paper napkin. We will take one napkin from the packet and use it in the same form as it is packed, that is without unfolding. Now we will mark 10 cm by 10 cm on the side which is open. We are doing so because it will be easy for cutting. Now cut across the drawn line to obtain a square piece of 10 by 10 centimeters. For making a flower, we need 7 petals in each flower, and petal can be made by folding the square paper in a way that it is divided diagonally as shown here, and fold accordingly. You have to give the crease properly. Once these petals are ready, we will take broomstick or flower wire, whatever is available with you, and wrap the paper on it by inserting it inside so that it doesn't come out. Further, tie the knot by using the thread as you see. We have to wrap all the 7 petals followed by the knot at the end. Please note that the petal should be wrapped by simply overlapping the previous petal. And now finally tie with thread to ensure that all the petals are tied together. Tighten in such a way that the paper doesn't get torn. Now your paper flower is ready. We will follow the same procedure for making flower using organdy cloth. Cutting square pieces of 10 by 10 cm as shown here. Fold the square organdy cloth in a way that it is divided diagonally as shown here and fold accordingly. Once these petals are ready, we will take broomstick or flower wire, whatever is available with you, and wrap the organdy cloth on it by inserting it inside so that it doesn't come out. Further, tie the knot by using the thread as you see. Now all the flowers are ready. After making the flowers, we will wrap the green tape on the stick tightly. By stretching and rolling it diagonally as shown here. If you don't have the green tape, you can use green paper instead of it. Cut it diagonally and paste it as shown. This paper also you have to paste diagonally. Now all the flowers are ready. Further, we will arrange all the flower stick to make a beautiful rose bouquet. Then tape it together. We have to use satin ribbon to tie them together, as satin ribbon also gives beautiful look. If you want, you can add some artificial leaves also. Children, beautiful rose bouquet is ready and you can give it to your friends as a gift. I am sure you must have enjoyed the activity. Have a great day. Thank you, dear children.